Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we've seen some problems with AMD recently. We've seen that last year also some problems that were very specific to AMD and apparently the TPM chip, possibly the FTPM that AMD is using for Windows 11. And one of the questions and one of the things I see a lot is people asking, is Microsoft more into Intel and kind of not helping AMD really, or is there some problem with AMD versus Windows happening? And simple answer to that. So I've got an AMD machine. It's the first time ever actually that I purchased a computer that has an AMD CPU in it. And the reason for this was mostly because of price versus performance versus what I was getting as a gaming machine with a good NVIDIA graphics adapter on it. But I've always purchased Intel computers. I've always been Intel Pro because I've always found Intel to be better quality overall in general with the old AMD until the Ryzen AMDs appeared, and that changed my thinking because AMD Ryzen CPUs are actually very, very good. But there's a lot of hints over time that shows that Microsoft and Intel are very close. When we talk about hardware, when we talk about, for example, the minimum requirements for PCs with Windows 11 that made a lot of people go a little crazy. You can't think about the fact that, somewhere there's some Intel in there also, with also, of course, all the other hardware manufacturers and the PC makers. But it's obvious when you look at the relationship that Intel is there. There's been some presentations where actually the head of AMD was there, and it's been relatively ignored. So it tells you that there is a close relationship between Intel and Microsoft. And the problems we have, are they kind of related to that? Well, sometimes we think that, maybe that is one of the reasons for more problems. Maybe the development and the close partnership is not there, so there's maybe less testing of certain hardware than there should be. But that's a thing that doesn't happen with Intel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.